Cool Kids Studio.
Ah, yes. Well, looky here, what do we have? Another pretty thing ready for me to grab. But little does she know that I'm a wolf in sheep's clothing, 'cause at the end of the night it is her I'll be holding. I love you so, hey, that's what you'll say. You'll tell me, baby, please don't go away. But when I play, I never stay. So every girl that I meet, yeah, this is what I say. Run away, baby. The fire put my spell on you. You better get away, darling, 'cause everything you heard is true. You're pouring a heart, will end up alone, 'cause Lord knows I'm a rolling stone. So you better run away, baby. See, I ain't tryna hurt you, baby. No, I just wanna work you, baby. Yo, see, I ain't tryna hurt you, baby. No, I just wanna work you, baby. If you scared, you better run. You better run. You better run. You better run away, baby. The fire put my spell on you. You better get away, darling, 'cause everything you heard is true. You're pouring a heart, will end up alone, 'cause Lord knows I'm a rolling stone. So you better run away, baby. I never used to take it slow. Now I feel the air and take the long way home. This place is all I've ever known. No longer scared of the open road. 'Cause tonight is our night to run wild and free. We could take on the world. We could be anything. Are you in?
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our birthday boy for today. Together with the birthday family, can you clap your hands for Kiefer?
Hi Kiefer, happy birthday. I wish you good health. I wish you well in your studies. I hope you will continue to be a child of God as you grow up. And I also hope that you will try your best. Again, happy birthday Kiefer. Lolo loves you very much.
We could be anything. Are you in? Are you out? Are you coming with me? Let's take on our fears from the start. We're having home. We're having home. We're running wild and free. Be who we wanna be. We're having home. We're wild. We're wild.
Hi, Kiefer! My wish for you is that you grow up to be a good boy. Sana maging God-centered ka. Wishing you always to have good health, to do well in your studies, continue loving God, and of course, continue loving your mom, dad, lola, lolo, tita, titos, and everyone else, your cousins. Maging mabait kang bata. You know, we love you very much.
Kiefer, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Daddy wishes for you to be a good boy, sana soon, because you're still so kulit. But I'm happy that you're applying the things that I teach you and mommy teach you every week, and in school you're getting good grades in school, so I'm happy about that. But I wish you to keep it up. be serious in school, more serious in school, because school is very hard, and it will bring you to a great future.
Fears from the start. 'Cause we're wild at heart. We're wild at heart. We're running wild and free. Be who we wanna be. We're wild at heart. We're wild. We're wild.
Happy birthday, Kiefer. This is Lola B. I wish na sana yung studies mo is always on top or part of your school activities. Lola B is happy for you, for having you a good grade. Happy birthday ako!
Never stop wishing. Tonight is our night to run wild and free. We could take on the world. We could be anything. Are you in? Are you out? Are you coming with me? Let's see.
Hi, Kiefer. Happy 7th birthday. I wish you all the best in life and keep up the good grades, anak. I love you very, very much. Happy 7th birthday again, anak. Mommy and Daddy loves you.
Cool Kids Studio.